Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to transfer money from XT exchange to Binance. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more amazing content. Now let's start this video without wasting any time. The first step is to open XT exchange. Once we are on the home page of XT exchange, tap on the assets on the bottom right corner. Now tap on withdraw. Now search for the crypto coin which you want to transfer from XT exchange to Binance. Here I have used USDT as an example, and then select the on-chain option, which is the first option, and after that we have to paste the deposit address of USDT. So now we have to open Binance. After opening Binance exchange, click on wallets on the bottom right corner and then tap on deposit. Now search for USDT or any coin. After selecting the coin, we have to select the right network. So here I will use TRC20 network for USDT. Now we have to copy this deposit address. So after copying the USDT TRC20 deposit address, we have to again come back into XT exchange and paste that address over here. After pasting the address, you can see it has automatically selected our USDT network, which is Tron or TRC20. Now the next step or the final step is to write down the withdrawal amount which you want to transfer from XT exchange to Binance. After selecting the withdrawal amount, tap on withdraw, and then you will receive the confirmation email within 1 hour or 2 hours that you have successfully transferred money from XT exchange to Binance. And that's how you can easily transfer money from XT exchange to Binance. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.